This lawyer's name is Chris. In every single week, he answers the same questions for potential clients. But instead of answering them just one at a time, he turned those questions into an entire library of educational videos. Here's how. No filming every week, or repeating the same explanation over and over again, and definitely no starting every video from scratch. Instead, he uses one AI avatar, one repeatable education system, and of course, HeyGen, to turn everyday legal questions into professional videos. So this is of course episode 6 of the SMB series, where we show how different small businesses can use HeyGen to create more content without turning content creation into a second full-time job. And this episode is of course distinctly different from the other 5 because lawyers don't usually struggle with coming up with content ideas. They already answer the same questions every single day. The real question is finding the time to answer those questions at scale while keeping the content educational, professional, and compliant with legal advertising rules. So instead of creating random videos whenever inspiration hits, we're about to build a repeatable content system, one where every common client question becomes another piece of educational content. So let's get into it. So instead of answering those questions one at a time, why not build a content library that answers them before anybody even needs to schedule a consult? But legal content also comes with another challenge. You can't just open your phone, start talking about somebody's legal situation, and hit post. There's advertising rules, required disclaimers, and certainly things you should just avoid altogether. And it's also worth remembering that all of these rules can change depending on your state or local bar association. So always make sure you're following the requirements where you practice. That's the real challenge. So now today we're going to be building this exact workflow in just 4 steps. First, we'll create our lawyer avatar. Second, we'll generate educational legal scripts based around common client questions. Third, we're going to turn one client question into multiple pieces of content. And finally, we'll put everything together inside of HeyGen. But now first, we have to decide how our lawyer is actually going to be presented. And today we're going to do that with an AI avatar inside of HeyGen that we're going to be calling Chris. Inside HeyGen, just go over to the left sidebar and click avatars, and then go ahead to the top right and click create avatar. Just like all the previous episodes, the biggest advantage here is reuse. You create the avatar once and you can use it again and again for every single topic. You do not have to rebuild your presentation every time you want to make a new video. But now here's where HeyGen's going to ask you if you want to make a photo or a video avatar. A photo avatar is usually faster and easier to get started with, and a video avatar is a little more involved but feels way more natural. So with that being said, I'm gonna have to recommend picking the video avatar, especially if this is gonna become the face of your content. So if you can, choose that. But now you can also choose one of HeyGen's default avatars or skip an avatar entirely and just use a voice. But like I said, for this example, we're gonna be using my face to create an AI avatar of an attorney. If you're creating your avatar like I am, the footage does not have to be complicated. Just record yourself speaking directly to the camera, aim for just around 2 minutes of clean footage, filmed in either landscape or portrait, and I would recommend recording in at least 1080p quality or higher, while also following the size requirements that HeyGen's gonna flash up on screen for you. You'll want good lighting, clear audio, and a simple background. I'd recommend some professional business attire with maybe some soft natural lighting. But now once the footage is ready, you can just drag it into the upload box. You can name the avatar and choose the voice setup. It's gonna ask if you want to choose the voice that HeyGen made for you based off the video you just submitted, or if you want to record a new version afterwards. And if you want the voice to sound as close to you as possible, I would just recommend re-recording it afterwards. And now right after you press upload, you're gonna reach the consent step. HeyGen just gonna ask you to record a super short consent clip. This is just confirming that the person being turned into an avatar actually gave consent to be used as one. And of course that is very important. But now once everything looks good to you, you can go ahead and press submit. And HeyGen's gonna process the avatar in the background and even notify you when it's ready. And now we have the presenter for our entire content system. Instead of thinking about how you're gonna present your video every single time you wanna make a new one, that decision's already been made. Now every single new question can use the exact same presenter, the exact same voice, and the exact same visual style. But now of course, once the avatar is done, we need something for it to say. And this is where most lawyers already have a big advantage over other industries, because you do not need to invent content ideas. You already hear them every day. Think about the questions people ask before they even hire an attorney. Those questions are already in your content calendar. So now instead of starting with, what should I post this week? Start with, what did 3 potential clients ask me this week? Those become your 3 next videos. For this example, let's use one of the most common client questions. Do I need a lawyer after a car accident? Instead of writing the script ourselves, we're going to use AI to help us write the draft. And this could be any AI like Claude, ChatGPT, or HeyGen's built-in script tools. But now this right here is going to be the prompt that we're going to end up using for this workflow. Of course, you can mix and match a few things to fit your content style best. And of course, I'm going to be leaving the prompt down in the description below so you can use it for yourself. But now this prompt does a few very important things for you. First First, it frames the content as educational and not legal advice. Second, it tells the AI what to avoid. No promises, no guarantees, and no advice that depends on somebody's individual situation. And third, it automatically drafts a disclaimer for you. But don't assume that an AI-generated disclaimer is ready to go as is. Make sure it meets the advertising requirements that apply to your practice before posting it. First, we have, you should always hire a lawyer. And then after, depending on the circumstances, speaking with an attorney can help you understand your options. That difference matters a lot. One sounds like advice, the other sounds like a legal concept. But now here's where this workflow separates itself from all of the other episodes, because we're not just stopping at one script. Because one client question can become an entire content series. Instead of asking the AI to write just one video, we're gonna ask it to repurpose everything. We're gonna be using this prompt right here, and it's gonna be making us a ton of different pieces of content to use based off of just one concept. Of course, this prompt will also be down in the description for you to use, but now we've gone from just one question to an entire week's worth of content. And that's really how you stop thinking one video at a time. Instead, every single client question becomes a brand new folder inside of your content library. And the more client questions you answer, the more valuable your library becomes. But now that we have multiple scripts, we want to organize them into repeatable series. Because believe it or not, most people don't just subscribe after watching one legal video from you. They subscribe because they know what kind of content they're going to get next. Topics like all of these become reoccurring content formats. Every week, you simply just drop a new idea into the system. And now your content really starts feeling like an entire educational brand, not just random uploads. But now that we have the scripts, the avatar, and the entire content series planned out, we can turn everything into a finished video inside of HeyGen. And there's a couple different ways that you can actually do this, but today I'm going to show you how to use Video Agent, which is definitely the most efficient option. Video Agent's biggest advantage is that instead of building every single scene manually, you give HeyGen the goal, the script, and the feel of the video, and it automatically assembles it for you. So here, I'm just going to paste the approved script that we got earlier. Remember, this is the script that has gone through all avenues of review before you're ready to make the video. And then I'm going to type clear instructions on how I want the video to come out. Again, I'll flash the prompt up right here. And of course, this will also be down in the description below with the rest of the other prompts. And now we can go ahead and choose the avatar that we just created. And the voice will already be attached to it, so you don't have to go around looking for it. But now also, you can choose one of HeyGen's default avatars and then go ahead and find a voice that suits you the best. Or you can just delete that avatar and only choose a voice to be behind your content. Just choose whatever works for you the best. Then I'm going to choose the format. Vertical works the best for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and even LinkedIn. And horizontal is just better if you're making long form videos for YouTube. And now we can add supporting visuals if you have specific ones in mind that you want. And if you don't have any, you don't have to worry because Video Agent will just come up with its own. The goal is just to make the information easier to understand. And just as importantly, avoid visuals that send the wrong message. But now once everything looks good, you can go ahead and click generate. And just within a few minutes, you have another finished educational video ready to publish. And now you guys can see it firsthand. Here's a result of that exact workflow. Have you ever wondered if you actually need a lawyer after a car accident? The answer depends on the situation, but it's usually worth understanding your options before making any major decisions. If you've been injured, there's a dispute about who is at fault, or you're being contacted by an insurance company, speaking with an attorney can help you better understand the legal process and what factors may be important in your case. Even if you're not sure you need legal representation, getting information early can help you make more informed decisions and help you avoid common mistakes in your case. Every situation is different and legal rules can vary. So what makes sense for one person may not be the right approach for someone else. This video is for general educational purposes only and should not be considered as legal advice. Consult an attorney regarding your specific situation. A professional educational legal video featuring our brand new attorney avatar named Chris, built from a real client question and then turned into a script, expanded into multiple pieces of content, and rendered inside of HeyGen. But the video isn't actually the biggest win. The system is. Because next week, when another client asks you a different question, you don't start from zero. You just repeat the same exact workflow. Imagine answering 50 of your most common asked client questions. That's not just 50 videos. That's 50 different opportunities for somebody to learn from you before they even become a client. And that's because every single piece of content follows that same workflow. And the entire system becomes easier to manage over time. And that's the complete workflow, everybody. Instead of constantly wondering what to upload next and wondering when you'll actually have the time to make it, just start with the questions that people are already asking and then turn those questions into into educational scripts, build a repeatable series around them, and use HeyGen to turn them into professionally polished videos. And if you want to try to make a workflow just like this for yourself, you can check out HeyGen using the link down in the description below and create this exact same workflow that you can keep on using. And if there's another type of business that you guys want to see us cover in the next episode, let us know down in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.